Spotify makes it easy for us to sign up to premium subscriptions, but conveniently for them, they also make it a bit tricky for us to unsubscribe. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly cancel your premium subscription on Spotify on a desktop. Simply open Spotify. Once it loads, on your top right, click on your profile, then Account. That'll automatically open a browser in your Spotify account. Then here, click on Your Plan. And when you scroll down, you can see the button Cancel Subscription. Click on that, and I'd tell you to read all of this, but since you're canceling, it's not really important, so just go ahead and click on Continue to Cancel. Once again, click on Yes, Cancel, and now your subscription is canceled. You can complete this feedback page if you want, but again, it's not necessary. And it's that simple. You can do it in a few seconds, faster than they can process your card for that unwanted payment schedule. And we all know how that goes. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Peace.